swear, anytime I'm in here, you'll always catch me watching LZ vids, TJ Hunt vids, just car stuff. Just keep me motivated, you know what I mean? What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I just figured I'd pop the camera out and just do some disassembly with you guys. Well, not do it, but like show you what I'm doing, pretty much. So, keep a long story super short. As you see, I've got no subframe in here. It's over there. He is coming out, and I am getting rid of it. You may be asking yourself, wow, Jacob, what are you gonna do for your drivetrain? I'm not really too worried about it right now, as you know, seeing as like I don't have a shell at the moment. I'm just trying to get rid of all the stuff on this, trying to get this out of here. And realistically speaking, try to get a daily first, then worry about a shell and all that fun stuff. This is where we are, trying to get this out. I had the most difficult time trying to get that axle out, so that's why I went through this entire process of just like taking out the subframe. Give me 2 seconds and let me get this transmission out of here. Boom. That took a lot of effort and a little bit of extra help, but it's out. It's time to get this thing out of here. I did not prepare myself for the drive shaft to like leak all over the floor, so that was a nice surprise. But if that's the worst thing that happens, it's totally fine. I'm actually like really excited about how nice this subframe looks for, you know, being a Northeastern car. Steering rack is gonna go. Those control arms are junk, so I will either toss them or if somebody wants them, they can have them. I have one front axle. I got rid of the other. I just sold the transmission, so that's why I had to get it out, and it kind of forced me to continue to delve deeper into, you know, fucking disassembling this thing, which, you know, I've never actually done before. So it's actually a nice experience getting to learn how to do this, and like once I put another one back together, it should be significantly easier because I should know what I'm looking for and what I'm doing. I am slowly coming to terms with the fact that I am completely just ripping my car apart at this point. I know it's, oh, where's that smudge? I love this car, I love this thing. I'm really sad that I'm taking it apart, but I'm also kind of excited because I am taking it apart and I'm like learning, you know? I got the rear subframe completely unbolted and pretty much ready to drop. I think there's like a T-brace or something over there that also has to come off, but like I said, first time doing everything, so I'm kind of just figuring it out as I go. This bitch ass coilover. If I drop this, maybe I need more than one hand. All right, maybe I need both my hands, or maybe quickly start to drop. I don't really know. Oh yeah, let's drop it. All right. There is like a little brace or whatever that I gotta take off before I can pull that whole thing down. I think it's connected to that, which is crazy. Also, yeah, look at that. Rusty, rusty.
Brother, what's that?
Pretty much it's all like undone. I just kind of been spacing on how to like take the diff off of that T-brace because I don't want to take the whole T-brace off. This is all of the stuff that I am not keeping. So a bunch of rotating assembly, my old clutch, which is still pretty good, was holding up strong, coil packs, etc. Like just a ton of stuff here. This exhaust, I'm just getting rid of it because like I'm going with bigger and or better things. I don't know if someone's gonna come grab this bare shell, so I might just end up scrapping it if that's the case. This car definitely did its job. I enjoyed it, I learned on it, and honestly, I don't regret anything that I did with it, except not saving it, besides that. I do also want to give y'all like some like life updates, because I am trying to move out of here, out of my dad's house. Not sure when, but I'm trying to get myself my own place again because it's time for some independence. Nah, but in all seriousness though, I miss my family. I wanted to be around them for a while, but it is time for me to go get my own space. I need that garage space especially. And then yeah, daily, I am most likely gonna get another fucking Subaru, which is probably like an Impreza or something like that, maybe even a Forester. Just something kind of cheap, reliable, just so I can get around, and then kind of focus on the other things that I gotta focus on first. And then once I got everything all in order, I would really like to get a drift car, and I know that it's something that's super obtainable. I've been talking about it for so long, but I think it's really time, because that's like the profession that I want to get into is FD. So I think having a rear-wheel drive sports car to start off with might definitely help me get into that. Videos of the car are probably not going to be happening as much because I'm just going to be disassembling things. I don't want to be redundant. But when it goes, I'll make a video of that so y'all know when it's out of here. Events and like other people's builds and like car reviews and things like that are still going to be happening. Videos are still going to be coming out when I can make them, when I see things happening. I just got to put a pause on my own build right now so that I can come back stronger. That's all. I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a shower and go play some video games, maybe start streaming. Maybe I'll put some of that up there for you guys. But Peace out, and I will see y'all in the next video.